The scores on a standardized test are normally distributed with a mean of 493 and a standard deviation of 112. Random samples of size 36 are drawn from the population and the mean is recorded. Identify the population mean, the population standard deviation, and the sample size. Use the central limit theorem to find the mean of sample means and the standard deviation of sample means. So the population mean is 493. The population standard deviation is 112. The sample size is 36. Mu x bar is equal to mu, so that's just 493. And then sigma x bar is equal to sigma over the square root of n, so 112 over the square root of 36, which is 18.6 repeating. So rounded to 2 decimal places is 18.67.